Why does investing matter? Well, it's about growing your money while you sleep. Let's talk about building wealth. You work hard for your money, right? Investing helps your money work for you. It's like planting a seed that grows over time. This is how you build long-term wealth, not just short-term gains. Imagine earning money even while you sleep. That's the power of investing. You're buying a piece of a company or an asset, hoping it will increase in value over time. Investing helps you fight inflation. Your money keeps its buying power, so you're not losing value. Think of it as a long-term game. You won't get rich quick, but with patience and smart choices, your money will steadily grow. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time, today. Yeah, so welcome to your first steps in investing, opening an account, and decoding investing jargon. Don't be intimidated by investing terms. It's simpler than you think. First, open a brokerage account. This is where you'll buy and sell your investments. Next, understand some basic terms. Stocks are like tiny pieces of big companies. When companies do well, your investment grows. Bonds are like loans to the government or companies paying you interest. Mutual funds and ETFs are like baskets holding many different stocks or bonds. They offer instant diversification for your portfolio. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Feeling overwhelmed? That's okay. Start small and learn as you go. There are tons of free resources online. Check out reputable financial websites and blogs. You got this. Don't wait to have a ton of money before you start investing. And the beauty of investing is you can start small. Even $50 a month can make a difference over time. One popular strategy is dollar cost averaging. You invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market ups and downs. And this helps average out your purchase price over time. Like another beginner-friendly option is a robo-advisor. And these are automated platforms that build and manage your investment portfolio for you. They ask about your goals and risk tolerance, then do the work. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quickly. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, stay consistent, and let compounding work its magic. Section 4, building your investing confidence. Knowledge is power. Investing might seem complicated, but don't let that stop you. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become. Take advantage of free resources, read books, listen to podcasts, and follow reputable financial experts online. Don't be afraid to ask questions. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Remember, investing is a lifelong journey. There's always something new to learn. Embrace the process and enjoy the ride. As your knowledge grows, so will your confidence. Don't let fear hold you back. Take charge of your financial future. With the right mindset and a little effort, you can achieve your financial goals. Section 5, you got this. Take charge of your financial future. You don't need to be a financial expert to start investing. Take that first step today. Open a brokerage account. Research different investment options and start small. Remember, the most important investment you can make is in yourself. Invest in your financial education. Learn about different investment strategies. Understand the risks involved, and make informed decisions. Investing is one of the most powerful tools. You have to build wealth and achieve your financial dreams. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. The time is now. You got this.